Hi. Thank you so much for your patience, and I apologize that I posted a picture of a box last night without doing an actual unboxing because I know that makes people insane. Um, Sorry, but I just had to share that I was like so excited when the box came, like beyond excited. Um, and I was on a leather moratorium, which I broke, and now I broke again. But I had a discussion with my husband where I was like, oh, feel like this is an iconic bag, and who knows when it'll come out again, and all this stuff. And then I'll unbox while we're chatting, so this doesn't take forever. And then I reached out to Emil and I said, oh, I really like this bag, but I need XYZ on it, all this stuff. And he was so great about it. Like, I had kind of ridiculous questions in my ridiculous, like, super detailed way that I always ask questions. And so thank you for your patience, Emil. And I don't know, he was a pleasure to work with. It makes me super happy to support American crafters. I'm bummed that when I was in Tennessee, I guess that was maybe 2 or 3 years ago now, that I did not get to stop at his studio. But goals, maybe one day I will. So anyways, this is a tote that I had been, Instagram stalking for 1,000 years. And then when I saw that he was going to sell it, oh look, he left me a little note. Oh, that is so kind. I really like these little handwritten notes. I tell you, the value of such things is priceless. Anyways, so this is an iconic tote. And if you Instagram this tote, people adore it. And so I didn't want to miss out on this run. Check it out. And if I Instagram stalked you or DM'd you, sorry about sliding into your DMs, but I had like 50 questions so that everybody that had this bag or had known about this bag got a DM from me. I'm certain of it. Because I love exploring the bag before I get the bag. And you're probably like, for the love of God, did you open the plastic? Okay, so here it is. This is this. Look at this gorgeous, oh my God. It's beautiful. So check it out. It's the first time I've ever seen an Emil Erwin bag, by the way. The detail on it is insanity. And I'll show you, or I'll try to show you. I don't know how well it's going to come out. And in between now and my full review, I'll figure that out. But, so inside, the typical tote, let's do it like this. And my husband has long since walked away because he's kind of over he's kind of over my little hobby. So, maybe I could do this. So the typical tote is a giant pocket in the back and then a divided smaller, shorter pocket in the front. And what I asked, and you can probably guess, is like, could you make this divided pocket bigger and deeper so that I could put my laptop in there? I'm going to say no women's totes that I can think of, and you guys know I carry my laptop all the time and blah, blah, blah. And I was like, I just want a bigger pocket. And so we went back and forth about it. And he was so gracious and patient. I don't want to put my bag on the table because I feel like it's my baby. I feel like it's a newborn, so I don't want to set it on the table. Let me do this. Anyways, so he was so gracious about my questions and went back and forth about the size and the depth of the pocket and could it do this and this and this, and it's perfect, Emil. It's beautiful. And I'm gonna put it on. This is so amazing. Hi. Is that not so cute? Anyways, there's two sizes to this tote, the market and the porter, if I'm not mistaken. And that was the other thing that he did for me. He made this like a hybrid size. So it's somewhere in between the market and the porter. The width is a little bit more than it otherwise would be to accommodate my laptop, because I said I wanted my laptop to slide in horizontally, not vertically. And so he did that. It smells divine. It's absolutely beautiful. I feel really good about supporting small business and an American crafter. So let me use and abuse this beauty, report back to you. And that's it. Tell me if you have any questions. I am so happy with this bag. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm back really quick. I think my trademark is starting to become that I sign off prematurely pretty much every video. I'm too lazy to reshoot, and in this case, I can't reshoot because it's an unboxing, right? So you get one bite at the apple. I refuse to like fake unbox and repack the whole thing up. But anyways, I'm back because I just want to tell you that like I slipped my laptop into the laptop sleeve because I was like, oh my God, I want to test it out. And I just have to say that Emil, it fits like a glove, And so let me just show you really quick. It's so perfect. I can't even stand it. So look at this. It's like just wide enough so that it holds the laptop securely. It's fabulous. I didn't have to take out the dongle. It's a giant, massive pocket. Even if you don't carry a laptop, you're gonna want it. Just tell them you want the Sonia version of the hybrid market porter tote. It's amazing. It's so perfect. And I want to say, not only is it perfect, but he worked with my, I don't know how I did this, but I gave super unclear directions. Like he asked me very pointedly, what are the dimensions of your laptop? So I like scoured the internet. I don't know how this is possible, but somehow I couldn't find it. So I was like, well, it's kind of sort of pretty close to this laptop, but it's like a little 1/8 of an inch shorter here and like 1/4 of an inch longer here. And then maybe it's like 3/4 of an inch deep. This one. So I sent like the most ambiguous directions, and somehow, master craftsman that he is, it turned out flawless. So I just want to say that I'm going to use this bag, and now I'll get back to you. And now I am signing off. Look at my beautiful bag. Happy days to me. Thank you for watching.